CENOS specialized wireless charging simulation software allows to perform analysis for wireless power transfer in electric vehicles, industrial robots, and electronic devices. The simulation job begins with loading a CAD file for the geometry of the power transfer system. The software automatically processes the transmitter coil geometry to define power input in its cross-section and creates the air enclosure for correct simulation of the electromagnetic field. So, the user just needs to identify the transmitter, receiver coils, ferrites, peripheral objects, if any of interest. In the next step, the user assigns materials and defines relevant operational parameters, the configuration of stranded coils, frequency, simulation time. The user can also easily define a motion of the receiver system against the transmitter to simulate charging in dynamic systems like electric cars or robots if necessary. When the calculation is completed, the user directly gets the results in the way suitable for immediate and meaningful analysis. The user can see the thermal distribution on the transmitter coils and adjacent ferrite plate. Magnetic field distribution around the wireless charging system can be examined with a user-friendly way of visualizing the field in different slices and angles. Engineers can see multitude of characteristic system parameters, such as eddy and hysteresis losses within the system, coupling parameters such as mutual inductance and coupling coefficient, as well as representative coil characteristics such as Q factor, self-inductance, resistance, voltage, current, and active power. And that's not all. To make the engineering job efficient, the engineer can make necessary changes in geometry and reload CAD file to continue the simulation project. CENOS software has a specialized algorithm to recognize objects in the modified CAD file and preserve all simulation settings. Thus, once the CAD file is reloaded, the user can simply click the Run button to simulate repeatedly and see how the changes influence the results. Even more, thanks to CENOS Simulation Manager add-on, the user can create the queue of the simulation jobs to be run automatically overnight and over weekend, which make the tool excellent for parametric studies.